Hello there, welcome back to this tutorial. Today we are going to export our database with our tables inside, and also so that we can install them on different local hosts or share them across. Stay tuned. Okay, so what we did earlier on, we created a database called tutorial, and in the database tutorial we had a table called registration, and we had these details in our table. So what we are going to do today is we are going to export the whole database with this table inside. So you click on your tutorial, your database name, click on the database name, then you come to export. So when you click on export. So then you enter the name of the database you want to create a template so that you can download. So tutorial, then you go to create, then you come to the existing template, then you select the database, so tutorial, then you click on the go. So you select the location where you want your database file to go. So I will select localhost, then put it inside my tutorial project folder. So it's downloading, and let's go back. So here is the database file. So it tells us our database, everything about our database. So you know, the first table you created was registration, the data types, the length and values, the column header, and you see then you see the data inside your database and everything. So if we were to have multiple data tables under our database, you'll be seeing everything here. So with this, you can share this database file and install it on other local host servers, or you can share it for people to use it. Yeah, so currently this is what we did so far. Thank you for joining the tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.